it's all bent out.
He was trying to get up this obstacle, and almost the top, he twisted the welds off on the drive line, so gotta repair it so we can keep going. We're gonna use 2 gel type batteries, hook them positive and negative to get 24 volts. And we're gonna try to weld it back together, see if we can get going again. Grab those cables. I'm connecting the negative and the positive by just touching them together.